Good morning. It's Saturday morning here at the rodeo. We're just waking up and having some coffee. And that's the view of the Jeep Fest setups over there. And nobody's really stirring around. We hadn't seen anybody yet. There's all the booths. Like I said, all the big horse trailers and big RVs are way down at the other end. So we're down here by ourselves, behind all the booths. Hopefully it's gonna be a pretty day. Just giving you a peek at what it's like to be a on-the-road mobile vendor. Anybody ever has any questions about this type of lifestyle making a living, just let us know. Good morning, everybody.